Hello, Corey Rocks 2002 here, and today we are looking at the fireworks and see the difference between the United States side of Niagara Falls and the Canadian side of Niagara Falls. This is Ontario here, and this is New York. This one has the red, blue, and white. This one has the red and white, or a maple leaf. And as soon as the fireworks appear, we're going to take a very good look at the fireworks by the time it hits 10 o'clock. And when I took this video this afternoon, I saw two waterfalls there. Now it's nighttime. You can see it changes colors during the night. Just like how it was the cities are, it changes color during the night. Especially when it gets dark. This is Toronto at night. This is Niagara Falls at night. This is not Toronto. This is Niagara Falls. This is Niagara Falls, New York at night. Right across the river. So right now it's 9:56. Only about 3.5 more minutes until the fireworks come. So it's almost there. You can smell, you can smell the smoke from fireworks, and you can smell the fresh air and fresh water from the waterfall. It is so beautiful. That once in a lifetime, you need to try to go to Niagara Falls and check this place out at night, especially during this time of night. Oh, now it's 9:58. 2 minutes to fireworks. Getting close.
Metti il telefono in tasca.
Oh, you're ready, folks. We're now 1 minute away until fireworks. We're now seconds away until the fireworks show begins.
Make sure you change your image.
I thought this is 10 o'clock, but it's about 9:59 right now. We're about a minute now. Oh, this is me and the city surrounding me. So there was an ad in my phone. I was there. Yeah, I do like this. That's a cool show. That reminds me of New Year's, 4th of July, Memorial Day, Labor Day. And yeah, Labor Day is next Monday. Yeah. Don't forget to comment, and like, and subscribe to me, Corey Rocks 2002 on YouTube. Have a good night.